In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to make an editable, actually the fillable PDF form. This is totally free. I can easily write here and I can easily save it from the file, go to save as, and I can easily save as a PDF, and this is also a PDF form. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let me go to Microsoft Word document. This is a new Microsoft Word document. Let me write here something, your name, your ID, your email, your phone, gender. Let me insert a shape or rectangle shape by holding the shift key, drag it like this, go to shape fill, make it no fill, and here let me write mail, and let me make it duplicate by pressing Ctrl D and place it like this by pressing the tab key. Let me write here female, place this one like this. Now again let me go to insert, go to shapes, pick a rectangle and drag it like this, go to shape fill, make it no fill. Here let me write about you and place it like this. Select this one, go to spacing, make this spacing. Now let me go to file, go to save as, go to browse. Let me save it as a PDF file, form 1, 2, 3. Click on save. So here you will find a PDF file, but I cannot write anything here. So I have to make it editable, actually fillable. So what I have to do, this is the form 1, 2, 3. Now I have to go a website. The name is pdfescape.com. So here after going to this website, let me click on free online, click on upload to PDF escape, choose file, let me select the PDF file form 1, 2, 3, click on open. Let me zoom in by pressing the Ctrl key and mouse button. Form field, to write the text, click on select, and I have to select this kind. Let me click on right button, click on duplicate and place it like this. Again click on right button, click on duplicate and place it right this, duplicate and place it like this. Now I have to again go to form field, go to type text, click on checkbox, click on select, and I have to place it like this. Press duplicate and place it like this. Again go to form field, go to text paragraph, click on select and draw it like this. Now I have to download the PDF file. Let me click on download. Here start download, open folder, form 1, 2, 3. Now click on here. I can easily write here John. Here I can easily write the ID, mail, your email. Here you will find some space under the word. When you are doing this work, you have to place it like this, then the no space will be appeared. Now I have to write the phone number 211. Let me click on mail and I can easily write about me. Here I can go to file, go to save as, click on desktop, final output form, save. Now if I go to desktop, here you will see my form is ready, and in the download folder you will find the blank form also. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.